welcome back. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Rachael Ray Bakeware 10-piece set. So let's get right into this unboxing video. So this is actually my first time purchasing something from Rachael Ray collection. It was a long time coming because my wife and we needed some actually new bakeware. And I got a very good deal with this product, and I just thought, like, why not do a review on it? Let's just see what's inside of it and let's go over it. So first of all, it is guaranteeing us that it's a long-lasting, non-stick inside and outside, comfortable wide pan handles and dishwash safety, and it is made with steel construction. We also see that it's dishwasher safe, and for oven temperatures, it said for 455 Fahrenheit and 230 Celsius. So I'm over here in Europe, and we actually use the Celsius measure of heat. And let's go ahead and see what the box is telling us what we're going to have inside of it. So as we see here, it is a 10-piece set, and it's supposed to come with the meatloaf pan with insert. We got the cake pans. We also got the cake, another cake pan, looks like cake cover, and we also have the cookie pan with crisper insert, and then we got another cookie pan. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this for the very first time. I want to see what we have inside of here. Okay, so everything looks like it's coming pretty protected. Okay, so got here. Okay, and this got here. This comes with one. Okay, as you can see, got the little handles right here and the grips there. Feel it really good, nice and still. Okay. Let's see what else we have here. Move it back a little bit. All right, pretty good, solid. Like you put your cake inside of here. Good. Okay. The material feel actually good, and it got the nice, like I said, grip handles here. It got Rachael Ray logo on the side, so then you really know this product belongs to her. And like I mentioned earlier, this is my first time buying something from her product line, and I think I'm going to like this. Okay. Put that to the side. We're gonna have this is the cake cover. All right, there you go. Okay. Another pan, another tray. Okay, looking pretty good. And last but not least, so we have this here. All right, that is one more thing. The meatloaf part is in there. I hope everyone's getting a good visual sight of this. Okay. Last item is all in the back. There we go. The meatloaf thing here. Okay. Good. Looks like we have all 10 pieces. I'm going to go ahead and lay this out better, as you can see it. And it seems like a very good, tough material, very durable. It's going to make your baking easy since it's non-sticking. I'm going to go ahead and lay everything out that you can get a better visual of it. Okay, everyone, there we have it. Rachael Ray 10-piece silver bakeware set. It is something that I highly recommend because, first of all, it's a steel material. That means it's very strong. It can go into the oven up to 450 Fahrenheit and 230 Celsius. And yeah, my wife and I are going to look forward to using all of these to bake our new goodies and our lasagnas and all our things we like to do in the kitchen. So I hope that you like this video, and I will see you in the next review.